Calf pain is extremely common. It can happen to anyone at any time, whether you walk daily, whether you're a runner, whether you work out, or whether you're a sedentary person. Calf pain is one of those things that is very common but also very easy to treat at home. There are some exercises, stretches, trigger point release, foam rolling, things like that that you could be doing at home, and I'm going to show you what these are coming up. Hi, if you're new here, I'm Dr. Rajni Patil from Ortho Sports Physiotherapy. I'm a spine and sports physiotherapist. I've been practicing for 19 years and my clinic is in Shivaji Park, Mumbai. Today's video is about showing you practical things that you can do at home, easy to do, quick to do, but you will need a foam roller, a trigger point release ball. You could also use a tennis ball or a cricket ball for this. And then I'm going to show you some calf stretching, different ways to stretch the calf, in order for you to make this pain go away fairly quickly. If you have tried some of these things before, if you have calf pain and you've done some things that has made your pain go away, then please share that with me, put it in the comment below, let me know. Before I start showing you these treatments to do at home by yourself, there is something that I should tell you. Now, calf pain has many reasons. Exercise related reasons, which is a trigger point being formed, fatigue in the calf, cramping, these are things that will go away with the treatments that I'm showing you. Sciatic pain, which can be leg pain that goes all the way into the calf, or varicose veins, or things like that. These are things that you should talk to your doctor before you attempt any of these stretches. Also, if you have swelling, redness, or really severe pain in the calf, then you don't want to be doing these exercises. For everything else, if there is calf pain that you feel is not going away with things that you've done till now, try these out and I'm very certain that it will help you. So the first thing we're going to do for your calf is foam roll the calf. You may have foam rolled your calf before, but you may not know the exact way to do it, and maybe you're missing out on a couple of things. So let's see the right way to foam roll your calf. The second thing to do for your calf to make the pain go away is to identify the trigger point in your calf and then make sure that you do a trigger point release properly. And this is like magic. It just, when it works so well. People have done my trigger point workshops and they said that, you know, we've had pain for all this time and we never knew that this simple thing can make the pain go away so fast. So try it, it will really help. So let's start by foam rolling our calf. Use a foam roller in the center of the calf, just like this. Then you are going to cross the other leg on top of the ankle, lift your upper body up and roll forward and backwards with long glides, like that. Now you also want to turn your leg in and foam roll to get the inner belly of the calf. Next, you're going to roll your foot out and roll the outer belly of the calf. Once you have identified a trigger point at any of these spots, you're going to use a trigger ball. Place it wherever you found the trigger point. Again, cross and hold that. You may want to roll it a little bit to find it again. Once I find the spot, I'm going to put the other foot on top of that and hold it there for a count of 30 seconds to a minute. This is painful to do, but it really helps. I could even move it, find another spot and do the exact same thing. If I wanted more pressure, I could even lift my body up while maintaining the pressure on the ball. So that's how you can foam roll and trigger point release your calf muscles. Let's look at the third thing that you should be doing is calf stretches. Let me show you a few different ways to stretch the calf. Try them, see what works the best for you and do it. To stretch your calf muscles, there are several different ways to do this. you can place the calf that you are stretching behind, keep the foot facing forwards, and then go forward as far as you can while maintaining the pull on the calf. Hold this for 30 seconds and release. Now what you want to do is bend the knee a little bit and then go forward while still making sure the heel is on the ground. The second way to stretch a calf is to put one foot up on the wall and keep your body straight and just lean in as close to the wall as possible. Hold for 30 seconds. Repeat 3 times. The third way to stretch a calf, and this one I find very efficient, is to be on a step. Keep the other foot on the top of the step, the calf that you're stretching on the edge of the step, and then drop the heel down as far as you can. Feel the stretch in the calf muscle and hold that for 30 seconds. Next, you're going to do the same thing, except this time you're going to bend the knee a little bit and then drop this knee, heel down as far as possible. Again, hold for 30 seconds. And then you'll just repeat on the other side. Did you find this useful? Do you feel like you can do these right away, right now? Hope you've done it already with me while watching the video. If you think this was helpful, do give a like to this video, subscribe to my channel, because every Thursday I put out helpful tips for you guys to self-treat yourself and a lot of more information. So go ahead and subscribe, and also share with your friends, people who might be having calf pain. Now, if you are looking for other resources, such as if you have back pain, for example, there's a video for that. If you want to know more about foam rolling and trigger point release, I have a playlist for foam rolling, so check that out as well. I've done a pain management series also, which talks about different joint pain and what you can do for that. So I'll put that up, I'll put it in the link below, so check that out. You can check out more resources, blog articles that I've written on my website, www.orthosports.in. So thank you guys for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.